I used to dread shaving. The nicks, the bumps, the stubble growing back by dinner time. But something changed at 40, and I've never looked back. This isn't just about hair removal, it's about reclaiming skin confidence. So if shaving is stealing your glow, you'll want to hear this. Ever wondered why your skin seems angrier the older you get after shaving? It's not just age, it's the method. Shaving can strip your skin barrier. Waxing changed that for me. In places like Vancouver, Sydney, or Stockholm, mature women are turning to waxing, not just for smoother skin, but for less inflammation, fewer ingrown hairs, and a longer-lasting glow. Shaving made my skin look dull. Constant friction can lead to micro-damage. Waxing exfoliates dead skin as it removes hair. Over time, skin tone evens out naturally. I noticed compliments on my glow within 2 weeks. Shaving gave me more ingrown hairs, especially around the bikini and underarms. Waxing removes hair from the root, not the surface. This allows follicles to stay clear longer. Fewer breakouts, less inflammation. Waxing reduced my hair regrowth over time. The myth is, hair grows back thicker. Wrong. For me, it came back finer and sparser, especially on legs and arms after 3 sessions. Less maintenance equals more freedom. I was tired of shaving every 2-3 days. The regrowth is immediate and prickly. Waxing gave me 3-4 weeks of smooth skin. It felt like my routine finally respected my time, especially when traveling in places like Greece or Hawaii. My underarms became softer. Shaving causes shadowing and rough texture. Waxing lifted pigmentation over time. I finally felt confident in sleeveless tops again. Big moment in my 40 seconds wardrobe. Glow up. Waxing feels like a spa ritual, not a chore. Scented waxes, warm temperature, calming aftercare. It's me time, not maintenance time. A mental shift that matters after 40. Self-care isn't selfish, it's sacred. I could finally ditch the razor burns redness after shaving used to last hours. With waxing, skin calmed faster. Natural aftercare like aloe and calendula helped. Now, my skin doesn't panic after hair removal. Less clutter in my bathroom. Razors, creams, shaving gels, oils. Waxing needs fewer tools. Streamlined, minimalist skincare is a joy, especially when I'm packing for short trips. My confidence in swimwear skyrocketed. Bikini waxes used to scare me. Now, they feel empowering, not painful. No stubble panic before beach days. I save money long-term. Think of all the razors, creams, and blades. A good waxing kit lasts multiple sessions. A salon session every 4-6 weeks. Was it scary? At first, yes, but was it worth it? Every single strip. I got smoother skin, more time, less irritation, and a glow that made 40+ feel radiant. In the next video, I'll walk you through my waxing aftercare routine for sensitive, mature skin, what works, what to avoid, and the $7 product I swear by. Hit that follow and save this video if you're ready to glow again.